In this video, we're gonna show you exactly what it's like after I've run this a few times, what I've been braking, and how this truck performs on max punch, brake at 62.5. I asked a question in the last video for you guys to tell me in the comment section what you would do to like jack up your throttle response to make it feel a little more lively in the air. And I listened. Let's do it.
Ah.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
So yeah, backflip didn't happen. That was rough as hell. Guys, that's it for like a pretty extreme bash after I set the punch to 5 and got my brake fixed. Really liking how it flies in the air. Things I would buy to have on standby if I was getting one of these. I would have these spare parts. And I'll put the links in the description. So I fixed this already, but I got a spare one. It comes with all the rod ends. So you get your one little offset eyelet for the servo saver for your steering. Get a standby one of those. And then the bottom of your shocks, these eyelets, the eyelets that go in the bottom of your shock shaft, get those. I've broke 3 of those, but I've been giving it hell too. And I finally just broke an A-arm. Now, I was asking for it too. You guys saw I went for a backflip and didn't come around, and I landed like straight up, stacked it on the tail and the wheel, all that stuff, right? The wheelie bar. And I look pretty good still. Chassis looks good. Everything's looking really, really good. I did, you know, misshapen this a little bit, but man, doing really, really well. I think if you look down the chassis, it's straight too. And I think that's awesome considering what I've done with this. Yeah, guys, so yeah, the 8S Outcast, what I would have on standby, get you some A-arms. This all makes sense to most of you. Some A-arms, get some shock ends, right? The perches you never break, but you always need these. I've broke 3. A-arms, of course, and get you this. These come with the rod ends. And I'll put links in the description to everything, the batteries, the truck, the parts I'd say to have on standby. And I've bent some shock shafts too, but I just turn them the other way when I fix the eyelets. So hopefully they bend straight. But again, some hard landings, I'm asking for it. I'm not surprised. Arrma, what a badass truck. I've crumpled this a few times. I mean, it's just epic what it's taken. I didn't get any backflips out of it, but I was still being kind of timid. And when I tried, it wasn't happening. I completely stacked it. I bailed, hoping I would flatten out with the brake, and I didn't. I just like completely stacked it. But the truck was good, except for broke the A-arm. But I could still run it, but it's broke enough that I'm gonna stop. Anyway, guys, as always, don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell, turn on notifications so you don't miss more content like this, and check out all the airplane stuff too. I'm Pilot Ryan, see you next time, see ya.